Yeah, what's up, everyone? Looks like I might make it home. So, people looked out, man. Um, some gentlemen helped me out with some of my black electrical tape, and then I felt like it wasn't enough. So, I asked a nice lady, sweetheart. Um, she went and gripped me up some green electrical tape from her work. She just handed it to me and said, "Here, take it." She said, "Do what you will." So, yeah, I I wrapped it. I wrapped it around like this, like this, with the black tape, and then I wrapped over the black tape with the green tape, spiraled, and then I did 4 ribs, one right here, one right here, one right there, all the way around, and then I went around the ribs, so when it blows up and the electrical tape stretches, it keeps the little hole. It's a little tiny pinhole, like it's like it got pinched or something, or like it had to have got pinched because I took the whole tire off and I inspected the inside of it. There's nothing sticking through, and if there was, I don't see any hole. And I ran my hand around it, in the inside of it, and then my fingers, and then I ran my fingers around the edge of the inside of the rim and the red tape, so which that red strip is there for that reason, so it doesn't poke a hole. So I'm gonna put the inner tube back in and put it back on. I'm probably gonna have to, if I can't find somebody with an air compressor on a boat or something or a car, I'm gonna have to go to the gas station, try to find one, and go from there. So I'm uploading the other video right now. I was already recording. Somebody offered to go get me water, and they never showed back up. They said they were gonna be back with a bucket of water, and never came back. So, yeah, this lady came over here, went into this place that I've been here. Been here for a minute now. She helped me out. So now I'm gonna go put the tire back on, see what happens. You still gotta find air, that's the whole thing, but at least I know if I put the rim back on and I got the inner tube back on there, at least I know I might have a chance of riding back home. That's all I know. I'm excited. Thank you, the damn fucking tire back on. Alright. Where's that damn cat? I gotta find the cap, guys. Hold on. I need the cap for the inner tube. That Bell tire, that fucking inner tube's not right. I gotta get different rims, man, and different bike real quick. A real bike, like a truck or a Cannondale. I'll get one soon, but this bike isn't a bad bike. It isn't. It's a good bike. It's just, it's not made for, what I'm doing with it. But it gets you around good, You just can't be so hard on it. Gotta make sure I get this inner tube in there good and it doesn't get pinched. I want to make it home. I'm far from home, really far. Listen, if I had to walk, dude, if I have to walk, this is gonna suck. It's gonna be a long. Listen, I probably won't be home till tomorrow. I'm serious. And this is the second inner tube, so I don't have another inner tube. Alright. it's on. We'll see. It looks like that guy's back with the bucket of water. That's awesome. He might be here. Hopefully there's an inner tube. I mean, air pump. Amazing. So far, so good. Spent a lot of time working on this bike today. All for this back tire. Now we tighten it. Now I gotta tighten it. And then I gotta find air. I haven't got air yet, but I'm about to find out. I just got it in. I went and got some more electrical tape.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I reinforced it. I felt like it wasn't enough.
Yeah.
Because you know it's gonna stretch when I put air in it.
Yeah, you should have tried that air before you put the tire back on. Oh, then you wouldn't be able to get it around the what's name?
Yeah, it's better if you put it in there.
Oh, yeah.
I thought about that. I found the pinhole. It's just a little tiny hole.
It was?
Yeah, I feel like it got pinched or something when I put it in there.
Yeah.
Ah, bitch. Oh. Let's see. Now I'm gonna see if they have any air. So, you always keep tools, man. I'm telling you, you gotta stay prepared. I wish I had an air pump. Trust me, I thought about it. I want to get one on the bottom of the bike, where they clip on the bottom of the bike. But I gotta get a real bike first before I start doing all that. I've been working on it, you know, one thing at a time, one day at a time. Alright, I'm gonna knock the bike over. I got one slice of pizza left. I'm fucking starving. I brought some crackers and cheese. I got some weed, which I'm definitely gonna smoke now. Not right this second, but I definitely need to smoke. I got papers, I got a lighter, all that stuff. I'm ready. Now I just gotta go find air. I need some water, which I got water in my backpack with lime in it.